Namaste. Welcome to Watch and Learn Hindi. In today's video, I have 35 easy Hindi words starting with the letter ch. Letter ch is a consonant of Devanagari script, the script in which Hindi language is written. Now, as always, along with each word, I have the pronunciation and meaning of the word written in English in this video. Also, I will repeat each Hindi word twice. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after this video, check out some of my other videos. To support the channel, you can either buy me a coffee, the link is in the description, or buy a super thanks, for which you can find the link right below this video. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start. The first word is chatur. Chatur, which means clever. Chandan. Chandan, sandalwood. Chammach. Chammach, spoon. Chamatkar. Chamatkar, miracle. Chamak. Chamak, which means shine. And from the word chamak comes chamakdar. Chamakdar, shiny. Chakshu. Chakshu, which is one of the words that we use in Hindi for eye. Chashma. Chashma, spectacles. Chappal. Chappal, slipper. Chappu. Chappu, which means oar. Chalna. Chalna, to walk. Chakhna. Chakhna is to taste. Chadhna. Chadhna is to climb. Chabana. Chabana, to chew. Charna. Charna, to graze. Chayan. Chayan, selection. Charam. Charam, extreme. Charan. Charan is foot, chaknachur, chaknachur, completely broken into pieces. Let me say this again because this is a long word. Chaknachur, chapta, chapta, flat, chapat, chapat, slap, chana, chana, gram, chamda, chamda, leather. Here you can note that even though in English it's written as DAA at the end, the sound is of R, not D. So it's chamda, chamda, charkha, charkha, spinning wheel, charitra, charitra, character. And from this comes charitraheen. As you can see, it's made of two parts. You can say charitra and you can add heen to it to make one word, charitraheen, which means characterless. Charitra is character, heen is to be without something. When added to charitra, it means characterless. Charitraheen. Chaturbhuj, chaturbhuj, square. Chameli, chameli, jasmine. Charbi, charbi, fat or grease. Charcha, charcha, discussion. Charm, charm, skin. And from charm comes charm rog. Charm is skin, rog is a disease. So when we combine those two, we get charm rog, which means skin disease. Charm rog. Charmarana, charmarana, to creak. Again, this is a long word, a little complicated, so I'm going to say it again. Charmarana. Chakravat, chakravat, cyclone. Again, a little complicated, so I'm going to say it again. Chakravat. And the last word is chalchitra. Chalchitra, motion picture. This again is a combination of two words. Chal is to move, chitra is picture. So when you combine those two, chalchitra, you get motion picture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications when new videos are posted.